Hey, what's going on, team? Happy holidays. Hope that you guys are all having a Merry Christmas Eve. Wanted to make this very short and sweet. I wanted to break down a total of three stocks that are very, very oversold on the day chart. So, again, make sure that if you guys learned something new, you guys drop a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And friendly reminder, if you guys are ready to join our Learn Plan Profit Group 2.0, I trade live every single morning. I'm going to put a $150 off coupon in the first link in the description. And yes, that is our biggest discount ever. So if you're ready to sign up, again, that's going to be the first link down below. So again, let's just jump right into it. The first one that I'm going to be breaking down is Etsy. I thought I'd use the notes tab on the Webull platform. I have the support and resistance broken down here, entry and exit, percentage ROI. So I'm just going to break it down. Some people are a little bit more of like, they like this format so they can visually understand it. But as you guys can see this, Etsy, one of the first things that I really like about Etsy is that it's been consistently bullish. It's been indicating signs of growth for the past year. It recently hit highs of 307, but has recently pulled on back, and it's trying to find its support level at the moving average, and it's still trading below the EMA line. So from where we're at right now, if we were to make a recovery, as you guys can see, again, this is for Etsy. This thing offers about a 33% return, a little bit over 30%. I put a 25% return with a more conservative entry point and a more conservative exit point. So my desired entry would be right around 230. So as you can see, Etsy right now is at 228. I would still like Etsy to trade above the EMA line. You might be asking, well, why would that be? Again, I like to jump into a stock when it's indicating signs of growth. Same thing with what happened last time. It pulled back to the moving average, it broke above EMA, and then it continued to trade above the EMA, indicating signs of an uptrend. Again, the EMA line is this light blue line that you see right on over here. This light green line is the moving average. So I do have my alert set here for the break above the 230 price point, and then as it continues to indicate signs of an uptrend, if we make higher highs, then that's where I would average up into my position. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, you understand the three stages of a reversal. There's the rejection, consolidation, and then confirmation. I would say that right now we're in stage 2, in that consolidation stage. We're no longer selling off, but we're also not really indicating signs of an uptrend. So this is definitely more of a watch rather than a buy. Also with Lululemon, again, this one was a one of the most bullish companies that I've seen for the past year. You guys can see that it's been making higher highs, higher lows. One of the things that Lululemon is great one of the great things about Lululemon is that it did amazing before the pandemic, it did amazing during the pandemic, and it's doing amazing even after the pandemic. It's very, very rare, especially for a publicly traded company. It hit highs of 480. It recently pulled on back, found its support level right around the moving average. At least it's trying to. And then again, my notes section right here: support and resistance. Support right around 380. Resistance right around 460. A more conservative resistance level. Entry right around 410 would be my desired entry. Waiting for the confirmation and the break above EMA line. Again, keeping it very simple. We try not to buy when it dips. We try to wait for confirmation. At least that's a more conservative approach. And then as it makes higher highs, that's when we step on the gas. Once we reach overbought levels, that's when we lock in profits. Desired exit would be right around 460. Again, a lot of consolidation around that 460 area. Yes, it did hit highs of 485, but a more common resistance level right around 460. And this thing offers, in a pretty picture world, a 20% ROI. Obviously, this thing can offer much more than 20%, but in a more conservative route, I thought 20% would be more realistic. The last one that I wanted to talk about is CROX. Now, CROX right now has been recently pulling on back. I don't know if you guys pay attention to Crocs at all. It might sound like a pretty funny company to invest in, but look at this. This is from last year, if I'm not mistaken. Last year, March, right? It was at $20 a share. Now it traded at overall highs of 183. Who would have thought, right? Crocs. It pulled on back. Right now it's at 123. It tends to be very bullish. Patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. I thought this would be a good stock to talk about at these oversold levels. Look at the RSI, look at the MACD. We're still not indicating signs of growth, so please, if you choose to buy in early, please watch that position size. It is risky buying before confirmation of a reversal, but the reason I wanted to talk about it is because from where we're at right now, if we were to make a recovery, literally over 40% ROI. So that's what I have broken down right here. Support right around 120 as of now. Resistance right around 180 as of now. Entry point, I would wait for confirmation of, or at least indication of a reversal. So right around 140. So again, we still have a lot of time. Set those alerts, stay patient, and then desired exit would be right around 175. Not at the highest, not at the lowest, but at a good price point where it's traded at before. That would offer about a 40% ROI. Again, bullish, consistent, and oversold. I love buying cheap stocks, but I love buying when it makes sense and it's indicating signs of an uptrend. At least that's what we try to preach within our Learn Plan Profit Group. Again, if you guys have any questions whatsoever about how to get started, please either comment down below, or the second link in the description is my Instagram. I respond to all of my direct messages. I encourage you, even if you're an absolute beginner, message me on Instagram. I'd love to answer any of your questions. And again, that is linked in the description of this video. If you're ready to join our Learn Plan Profit team and watch me trade live every single day, we're running our biggest sell ever today only, and it's $150 off. And that's that first link in the description. I appreciate you guys' time. Happy holidays. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. I hope that you learned something new. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.